This brand is made in America by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and the units are sold in the USA through their dealer network. All of their units feature indoor coil freeze protection and an I-Feel temperature sensing remote control, but they only have standard washable filters that don't really do much to raise the indoor air quality. The M series models are basic 16-SEER multi-zone heat pumps, while the W series offers premium 22-SEER multi-zone units. The P series offers single-zone cool-only or heat pump models rated for either 115 volts or 208/230 volts. The R series features single-zone heat pumps with a 20 SEER efficiency, while the X series has 23 SEER ratings. The Z series models are their quietest heat pumps with an indoor unit sound rating below that of a Whisper. They have a 7-speed indoor fan and a 28 SEER efficiency for comfort and energy savings. The standard warranty on the units is not very good when compared to other brands, but an optional extended warranty is available for purchase. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HVAC Repair Guy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.